Jose Police. Last race of the day, this is the mixed championship race. Who's racing for the gold? Last race of the day. Let's see which team makes it to the finish line first. Coming up the halfway mark. Big Blake coming off all those boats. Come on, spectators. Let's hear it for them. Come on, you can do better than that. You had so much lunch. Let's go. And it looks like San Jose Police coming across the halfway mark first. Led by one boat length, followed by Team Undisputed, followed by Kaibon and Mills Peninsula. San Jose Police, number 4 boat, currently ahead. Team Undisputed making the challenge for first place. Coming in, closing in on them. Kaibon closing in as well. And Mills Peninsula coming up and trying to take third. San Jose Police and Team Undisputed duking it out for first. Neck and neck right now. Neck and neck. Catching up. So is Mills Peninsula. Oh my God! Everybody's almost even again. The finish line is very Thank you very much for coming out today. You all did such a great job. Officially all paddle for lifers. The first paddlers who paddled in the inaugural Paddle for Life Dragon Boat Race Festival. For our first time event, we had 40 teams racing for charity. That is a huge turnout by any standards. Thank you very much. Everybody watching the races today, it was pretty amazing. It's very hard to believe you guys all just had 3 practices and came together to race as teams. Every one of you took time from your busy schedules, rose to the challenge, and you found a great reason to get some exercise. And a round of high-speed instant messaging on your computer does not count as exercise. Plus, we also saved some of you from being glued to your iPhones and saving you from a $200 phone bill. So you are all winners today just for being here, raising awareness, and raising money for a great cause. Congratulations. First, let me introduce the guy who dreamed up this idea and brainstormed his way into making Paddle for Life a reality. He is the founder of the first Dragon Boat Club in the Bay Area, the Bay Area Dragons, also known as BAD. He paddled here all the way from Canada to make his IPO fortunes and instead ended up starting a Dragon Boat craze. Now he, together with our co-hosts, have started, hopefully, a Paddle for Life tradition. Please welcome someone you all know by now from all those endless emails, Alvin Wang.
Thank you all for coming. We'll be thanking our sponsors and co-hosts in a second here, but really without all of you, there wouldn't be a race. So, all of you guys, 800 paddlers coming here. Okay, thank you all for coming. So this year, like I said, our goal was to raise money for cancer. So our grand total for this year is $12,000. We're going to be holding the race. We've already scheduled the race for next year to be June 7th and 8th in Jack London Square, because we're planning on outgrowing Foster City, although we really love it here. But a lot of people put a lot of hard work into it, and if we want to, bring it up to the next level, we need all your help. And we appreciate all your work this weekend. And we'll see you in June 2008. Thank you.
Ask the American Cancer Society to come up. They are one of the charities that you all supported today. And they need to come up and get their check, their version of hardware. So American Cancer Society.
Thank you very much. On behalf of American Cancer Society, Northern California and Chinese unit, I want to applaud everybody for your efforts and your spirit and your generosity. Thank you very much.
I'd like to present a check to the Asian American Cancer Support Network.
Hi everyone, thank you. On behalf of the Asian American Cancer Support Network, we're really grateful for this the generosity and what a wonderful event you put together. So thank you again. We'd like to thank our event sponsors today for supporting and helping make today's event come to fruition. In alphabetical order, today's sponsors are Allied Waste, Angels Forum, First Republic Bank, Genentech in the house, Merrill Lynch, and PG&E. The volunteers took a vote, and apparently the winner for Team Spirit is the Chew Crew. Come on up, Chew Crew.
We're very glad in Foster City to have such a beautiful setting for this event, and we are very proud to be a host. I wasn't real thrilled when I heard that it's only being out of the throne and going somewhere else. I'd love to see this come back maybe year after next. We'll make room for everybody.
In third place, these were all really close. Third place with a time of 2:06.1, Kaifon. Of 2:04.4, Undisputed. First place with a time of 2:03.8. You do not want to get a ticket from these people.